Hello, dear Zoom Auto family. Today we're checking out something seriously exciting, the 2026 Volvo S90. This is Volvo's big leap into the future of luxury electric sedans, and trust me, it's looking sharp. So buckle up, grab a snack or a coffee, and let's see what makes this ride a total game changer. First impressions? It's a head-turner. The moment you lay eyes on the S90, you just know it means business. Volvo has nailed the mix of elegance and futuristic vibes. Those Thor's hammer LED headlights now come with dynamic light animations. Because why not make turning on your headlights feel like a sci-fi movie? The seamless front grille screams, "I'm all electric, and I look good doing it." And those massive 22-inch aerodynamic wheels, they just complete the "I own the road" look. This isn't just a luxury ride, it's a rolling piece of art. Power and performance, smooth, quick, and just plain fun. Now let's talk about what's hiding underneath, or more like, under the floor, since you know, EVs don't have a regular engine. 500 plus horsepower, which means it's quick. Really quick, 0 to 60 high, blink, and you might miss it. All-wheel drive for that perfect grip, whether you're cruising through the city or taking on those twisty back roads. Over 400 miles of range, so yeah, range anxiety? Not in this car. Fast charging, 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's barely enough time to finish your coffee. Step inside. It's like a Scandinavian lounge. The S90's cabin, it's pure luxury meets sustainability, and it's done right. Vegan leather and responsibly sourced wood trims, because looking good and being eco-friendly can go hand in hand. Panoramic glass roof, letting in more natural light than a fancy Airbnb. A massive 15-inch touchscreen powered by Google. So yes, you basically have a smartphone on wheels. Bowers & Wilkins sound system, because your playlist deserves concert-quality sound. Safety? Of course, it's a Volvo. Volvo and safety go together like cars and tires. You just expect it. Next-gen pilot assist. Semi-autonomous. Driving for when you want to feel fancy. Advanced collision avoidance and lane-keeping assist, because the road is full of surprises. LiDAR-based object detection sees things before you do. Yes, even in bad weather. Long story. Short, this car doesn't just drive, it protects you. Final thoughts. Would you drive one? The 2026 Volvo S90 isn't just a car. It's a bold statement. It's got the looks, the brains, and the power to redefine luxury electric sedans. And honestly, if this is the future, I'm all in. What do you think? Would you take this beauty for a spin? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you had fun watching, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest from Zoom Auto. Take care, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.